The festival was started as a way to bring shoppers to downtown State College. In 1967, our retail climate was completely different here in the center region. There wasn't a mall, and people actually came downtown to buy stuff. When the students left, the Chamber of Commerce figured out that there weren't any customers. So they sort of got together with the College of Arts and Architecture in that sort of Mickey Rooney and Judy Garland, hey, let's put on a show in the barn kind of way. And the Arts Festival was born. We have a full-time staff of 2 3/4, so we have a part-time development person. We probably have 20 really committed volunteers. We have about, I would say about 400 volunteers who do some significant work at the festival. We do a survey with a faculty member at Lock Haven University, and the numbers vary, but it typically says 100 to 125,000 people come. Economic impact of the Arts Festival on the Center Region, Center County is tremendous. Our survey tells us that about 20% of the people come from out of state, so they're buying gas, food, water, Lord knows what, not to mention art, chicken on a stick, and everything else. So we do ask people how much they spend, and our surveyor tells us that the economic impact is about 13 million bucks, which is a lot. I know I have had conversations with people who own various kinds of hospitality related businesses, and they've said that it's the busiest week of the year for them. So it's a tremendous impact. We're responsible for the sale of 5,000 hotel room nights, and they're alone at $100 a room night. You know, that pretty soon it turns into real money. We have performers all over the place, from all over the place, sending in press kits, either digital or the old-fashioned kind with a CD and some paper, to us because they want to have a gig here. And we do try to program something for everybody.
Lately I've been sitting with the meter running. I check the time on my watch, says you're way past the overdue. You better work on your moves, cause you left the mine around with another. And I'll send your keys with love from me to you.
At this Art Fest, I've been at about 28 years. It's all stoneware pottery. It's very functional. I like doing because it's a landscape color. I use the rose color or the watermelon color as a kind of a horizon line. I see many landscapes in here. I see the North Carolina coast. I see the wheat fields of Kansas, the sand dunes of Indiana. But most people think of it as Southwest or Arizona colors. But almost any place in the country that you see, you can kind of think of that. But since I've been doing shows, literally shows, art fairs, for 44 years, I've been doing a lot of traveling. Right. I've done a show in every state in the Union except Alaska and Hawaii. And so I wanted to put some landscape idea in my work, and that's why I do this color.
We actually, right after the festival's over, we talk about what went wrong and what went right and what we'd like to change. Then we sort of get the festival put away, write grant reports. Our fall is really taken up generally with First Night State College, and we sort of hit the ground running with the festival right after the first of the year. So it typically takes about 3/4 of the year to put on the Arts Festival.